Look, it's John Legend, all of me. My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. Anyway, that's not what the video is going to be about. So the video is about this new thing that I just got. It is the thing that I got here from, what is it, Daiso or something. It's some kind of phone holder, and it holds even the larger smartphones. So it looks great with the iPhone 13 mini, but it'll host the larger ones too, which is pretty cool. This one here on the other side here, it allows you to do fast charging and all that good stuff, but unfortunately it'll only hold something as large as the iPhone mini. So that is the limitation on that one. I love it because I only use iPhone minis.
Likey.